Myself, Dr. Yogesh Ashok Edke. I am MBBS, MD Medicine from Bharati Vidyapit Medical College and University from Sangli. I am as a assistant professor in Bharati Vidyapit Medical College and Hospital Sangli. As also a consultant physician and intensivist at Seva Sadan Lifetime Super Specialty Hospital Sangli and Synergy Multispecialty Hospital Miraj. Okay. Today's session we discuss about the understanding the heart attack. Okay. In today's session we will discuss about the heart attack and its causes and the preventive measures needed to be avoid the heart attacks. Okay. Nowadays we often come to the know the person is die in because of the heart attack due to age of the 13 to 40 year. The incidence of heart attack and the number of the deaths occurs due to consistently increasing in India. Okay. So let's understand about that heart attack and what we can we do the reason behind it. We will discuss about in this in the lecture. Okay. Heart is the most essential organ and it's non-functioning crucial for the survival. Okay. Its function is like a pumps that allow the circulation of the blood through the body, and the blood circulation through extensive network the various type of small and large blood vessel. Okay. The blood itself ultimately provide the all nutrition and oxygen supply to the various organ which is necessary for the normal functioning for the particular organ. The muscle of the heart continuously contract and relax to the pump the blood into the blood vessel. The pumping of the heart leads to the each we can hear the heartbeats. Okay. On an average, healthy normal person, the normal heart rates varies from 72 beats to 80 beats in 1 minute. That means the heart muscle contracts and relax 70 times every minute in each and every individual. Okay. To do such extensive work non-stop without any interpretation, it requires continuous oxygen supply for this heart. It has own network of the blood vessel around it which continuously supplies the oxygen to the various heart muscle. Any interruption of the blood or oxygen supply to heart, even it's a few seconds, can impair its function and leading to the heart failure or heart attack. Basically, a heart attack occurs when a blood vessel supplying blood to here is the blockage. Okay, the blockade. Now let's understand why there will be the blockade of the blood vessel. Main reason behind such incidence of increasing blood vessel, that is blood pressure, excessive cholesterol and fat deposition in the blood vessel. The persistent high blood pressure damage the blood vessel by making them more rigid, by damaging their inner wall. Okay. This increases risk of the cholesterol or fat deposition of the blood vessel. When there is excessive fat get deposit into inner wall of the blood vessel, it blocks the blood in which can reduce the blood flow of that vessel. Okay. Due to this blockage, the heart of that person is high blood pressure to work harder to pump the blood throughout the body. This increases the workload of oxygen demand of the heart, and that way the increases demand and the lower supply of the oxygen due to blockage ultimately leads to the heart failure and the function of the heart failure or function of reduce that heart failure. Okay. The heart attack may cause multiple symptoms. The chest pain is the most common symptom in this patient. Each and every individual saying that his patient is having the chest pain. This can fails uncomfortable pressures, aching, numbness, squeezing, fullness or pain in the upper chest. The discomfort can spread to the arm, that is sometimes arm, chest or toward the jaws or the back side of the patient. It's several for minutes also, sometimes it can hours also, and it can or come and go and is increasing. It is not only symptom that is the heart chest pain. The possible symptom of heart attacks are dizziness, fainting, light headachenes, nausea, indigestion, vomiting or shortness of breathlessness. That is breathlessness or shortness of breath is most important. It is the cardinal features of the myocardial infarction. Okay. The heart attack symptoms can be differ from each and every person. That is the no two heart attacks are same even for the same person also, even same family members also. The person may have just one or any combination of symptom. Sometimes symptom of the heart attacks are not classical, that is crucial chest pain. Sometimes patient is having that all that one thinks of that. Okay. One may feel the less obvious symptom as the burning feeling in the chest, shortness of breath. Sometime may having the warning sign of symptom, all at all, that is all previously symptoms are explained in this video. Okay, the heart attack is a medical emergency. Okay, the heart attack can only diagnosed by the medical test. Only way to know about the experiencing the seek of urgent help, and the medical test includes the most important is electrocardiogram. The 12-lead ECG itself can suggest the patient is having acute myocardial infarction, or sometimes the patient rate and rhythm is also mostly detected in this ECG. Okay, the next further test is echocardiography, that is the 2D echo or echocardiography. It is just ultrasound, that is the ultrasound of the heart, mostly used for the learn the pumping capacity overall the areas that is not pumping in that heart condition. Okay, sometimes just example, the patient is having acute myocardial infarction, some is patient having inferior myocardial infarction. That time there is inferior wall and anterior wall of the LV, that is the mostly is seen reduce the functioning in the echocardiography. Okay, the next most important is the coronary angiography or coronary catheterization. It is called as CAG. Okay, it is an invasive test. It is performed directly visualizing the using X-rays, the size of extent of the blockage in the blood vessel of the heart. It is frequently recommended in first hour of the heart attack if the medication is not relieved. Sometimes you can patient thrombolize in during that procedure. That is sometimes patient is not getting the that is relief from the symptom. That time you can directly post this patient for the coronary angiography. Then is a blood investigation is also sometime most important in this patient, which the test also measure the amount of damage caused by your heart and the best treatment course to take in this further. It is most important. Okay, the heart attack mostly require emergency treatment to restore the blood flow to the heart. It is faster this happen. Okay, this less heart muscle is damaged. The heart attack treatment may involve medication or surgery. The medication can be the drug therapy to aim to reduce the break or the prevent the block or prevent the clot. Okay, the stop platelet collection, the sticking to the plaque, and the stabilize the plaque to prevent the more ischemia. These medications soon as possible within 1-2 hours should be start from the heart attack if possible to limit the heart damage. These drugs involving the mostly the aspirin is stop the blood clotting to make the heart attack worse. The some antiplatelet agent mostly that is the clopidogrel, prasugrel or ticagrelor is also to stop the clotting. Some the patient may having the may require the thrombolytic agent to clot burst resolve the clot in your heart arteries, or a combination of these treatment you should follow in this patient. Okay, in the heart attack treatment protocol. Otherwise, drug during the heart attack may help to work better. Okay, widen your blood pressure in the lower your pain, help to avoid the life threatening like rhythms and all the things. The during therapy aimed this medication as soon as possible within 1 to 2 hours from the start of your attack if possible to limit the heart damage. That is the most drug is aspirin, clopidogrel, ticagrelor. Any thrombotic agent is mostly used for this treatment. Okay, one can reduce the risk of the making positive changes in your lifestyle is most important part. After the medication, the modifiable risk factor we can reduce. That we can reduce that is the heart failure, our attack, and our ischemia is also most important. Let's see about that. What we can do the lifestyle modification in this patient. Okay, the treating the blood cholesterol is most important factor. The foods higher in that is saturated fat can contribute to high cholesterol and reduce the blood flow, which can increase the risk of the heart attack. Okay, hence it is also important to start healthy diet to reduce the risk. The limits the food high in saturated fats come from the animal products such as cheese, fatty meats, dairy desserts, tropical oils, or highly processed oil or highly processed foods also, that is mostly teen and all the choose unsaturated fats which don't raise the cholesterol level. One can find with unsaturated fat food like nuts, fish, vegetable oil, olive oil, or sunflower oil. Okay, This diet emphasizes increased intake of the fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, poultry, nuts, while that is the some curbing sugars, fruit, and the beverages. Eating and drinking too much sugar raises the triglyceride level also. The heart healthy eating plans can help manage the blood cholesterol level. The second is controlling the high blood pressure. Drinking too much the alcohol can raise the blood pressure, some extra calories which may cause the weight gain. The cigarette smoking also raises the blood pressure and put into higher risk for heart attack and the stroke. Excess salt intake is also cause the raised BP. Each and everyone knows about that. The reducing of this factor which can reduce the complication of the acute myocardial infarction and reduce all the heart failure component. Okay. The following exercise plan and the maintaining ideal body weight is most important factor in modifiable risk factor. The regular physical activity makes heart stronger. It is most important that sentence is regular physical activity makes the heart stronger. If one have the strong heart and a healthy heart, it can pump more blood with a less effect, reducing the risk of hypertension and heart failure. Exercise cut bad cholesterol level can raise good cholesterol level. One can aim to get 2 hours 30 minutes to moderate aerobic activities per week while just like a brisk walking, or 1 hour to 15 minutes high intensity exercise jogging as per week is most important as per that patient requirement. Okay. The monitoring stress level and the getting adequate sleep also the important possible to way to prevent the heart problem. It is important to remember that we can afford everything, but it is as precious as health. If it is possible to make heart healthy, prevent heart failure or heart attack through the lifestyle intervention like dietary modification, exercise, by taking action to lower the blood pressure, one can help protect themselves against the heart attack. Thank you very much.